Hey guys, so usually when I have my dinner, I watch some series. Right now, I'm watching Lucifer and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's so good. You have to watch it if you've not watched it. After that, I take shower and then move on with my skincare routine. Now, the product that I'm using is from a Korean brand called CosRX. Now, the reason that I love this product, why I love this product, is because it gets the job done. It removes all the dirt and impurities off of your face without leaving it dry or giving it that squeaky clean feeling. Like it leaves the natural oils behind on your face. Now, the products that I'll be mentioning in this video are a part of my skincare routine, but I do have other products too, and it just depends on what my skin is feeling that day. Like if it's feeling dry or if it's feeling oily, and I would just use the products accordingly. So, the products that I used in this video are according to what my skin was feeling on that day. Anyways, after I washed my face, I just used a tissue to pat down all the excess water that was on my face. Second step that I went into was a toner. I used this Claire's Supple Preparation Toner, I believe that's what it's called. And I've already almost finished it. I love this toner. It claims to provide a deep hydration to your skin as well as it helps your skin to absorb the following products better and boost their effectiveness. I totally agree with it. If you want a toner in your life, I would highly recommend you to go for this one, and it's worth every penny. After that, I'm using my trusty Goody Sunjang moisturizer, and yeah, I know I love this. It's literally like a water bank for your skin. I know I'll be buying it again and again. Now, usually I prefer to brush my teeth before my skincare routine starts, but I also agree that 50% of the times I do forget to brush my teeth before my skincare routine starts. So yeah. Now, using the same toothbrush, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna start scrubbing my lips in circular motions very lightly, not putting any, harsh pressure. Now, why I like to do this is because first, it helps to remove dead skin cells from your lips. Secondly, it's very important to exfoliate your lips too. I would also recommend you to use a lip scrub from time to time, but on daily basis, this method works just fine. And thirdly, it also helps to improve blood circulation in your lips, and it helps them look fuller and plumper. After that, I'm just wiping the excess water with some tissue and going in with my Laneige lip mask. It's my favorite. Take my word for it. Buy it. Like, it's a huge tub that it comes in, and it will last you for eternity. Like, I bought it around 1.5 years ago, and I still have like half of it left. Literally, just buy it. Now for the eye cream, I'm going in with this Biotique Bio Almond Eye Cream. It's quite a thick texture, but what I like to do is I like to take it on my ring finger and I like to melt it between the fingers and then apply it on my under eyes. Last but not the least, I'm going in with this Neogen product and I'm taking a Q-tip and dipping it straight into the solution and applying it on my scars. Now, the reason why I bought this product is because I thought it's very similar to the Mario Badescu pink drying lotion, and it's basically for your blemishes and even for your active pimples, and it just helps in making your skin clearer. just taking Himalayas baby cream. I'm using it as a hand cream, and I have this thing where I just have to moisturize my hands literally every freaking 5 minutes. And yeah, that's it for my routine. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
My old lovers fall into my covers, where they sink one by one.